life goes on, but I lost someone very close recently. We are from Assam, most of us, except Nastya, who's from Russia. But we lost a brother from my homeland, so I just want to remember him through a song. Someone you must be knowing, a beautiful musician called Zubin Garg. And I just want to sing one of his songs to remember him, because he was one of Bollywood's also one of the greatest voices ever. So I think we just want to give this for you, and we want to remember him. Yeah, I mean, as I say, the artist never die, lives on through their art. And yeah, he's immortal, he's a legend, so his music will live through.